Toward the next century, we have developed brand new materials by fully using our technology. Kalrez, a revolutionary new material that is excellent in both chemical and heat resistance, while keeping its elasticity.
This looks just like ordinary rubber, but you may be surprised to know that this rubber has more value than gold. This rubber is made from a new high-performance material, which is completely different from the material that we have used.
A product of DuPont Dow elastomers, Kalrez combines the elasticity of rubber with excellent resistance to chemicals and heat. Currently, it is used as mechanical seals and pump housing bulbs in petroleum and chemical plants. It is also being used for safety valves and connecting valves of vehicles, tankers, or trains in transporting chemicals restricted by law. And because of its outstanding resistance to heat and oxidants, such as jet fuels, it is used in rocket and jet engine parts for the aerospace industry. Its thermal stability and excellent sealing properties play a great part in semiconductor manufacturing, which requires special processes with high temperature, reactive gas, and plasma.
As you can see, Kalrez has already been used in various industries, which requires high resistance for its use under severe conditions. Now, we are going to show you how excellent our Kalrez performs.
One effective way to determine the heat resistance of elastomer is to measure its compression set. Here we have compared fluoroelastomer and Kalrez. The compression set of Kalrez stays at no more than 50%, even at 300 degrees Celsius for 70 hours, while the compression rate of fluoroelastomer suddenly goes upward at around 200 degrees Celsius. Because of this excellent heat resistance, one chemical plant decided to replace fluoroelastomer with Kalrez in the process, which uses some organic solvents at 250 degrees Celsius. It found that while the fluoroelastomer only lasted about 2 months, Kalrez was able to last more than 3 years. This dramatic improvement helped it to reduce its maintenance costs significantly.
Kalrez keeps its good quality by dipping it into highly reactive chemicals or under the high temperatures, which usually gives sudden degradation to the normal rubber. From the viewpoint of cost performance, Kalrez will help you to reduce your maintenance cost of equipment. Next, we'll show you the chemical resistance of Kalrez.
Let's dip both Kalrez and fluoroelastomer into the mixed solvent of acetone, methylethyl ketone, and toluene. Fluoroelastomer is superior to conventional elastomers for most chemicals. But you can see how it is badly swelling compared with Kalrez, which shows no change at all. There are many other chemicals that Kalrez can be used with where other rubbers can't, Kalrez shows excellent resistance to all of the substances listed here. In other words, with its excellent heat and chemical resistance, Kalrez is more than just a way to save on maintenance costs. It represents a significant improvement in equipment safety and reliability, while at the same time simplifying design, resulting in further savings.
By adding force, it changes shape. Removing the force, it returns to its original shape. We call this elasticity. Then, let's think about why Kalrez alone has superior heat and chemical resistance.
In general, what gives elasticity to the molecular structure of ordinary rubbers is the fact that the molecular chains branch off, cross-linking with other molecules. Of course, both fluoroelastomer and Kalrez have these structures, but what makes the difference is that the polymer chains are covered with fluorine atoms. That's why Kalrez has stronger thermal and chemical resistance than usual elastomers. This special feature of Kalrez is strengthened by its original strong cross-linkage. As you can see from this graph, Kalrez represents a vast improvement over fluoroelastomer, which itself is considered superior to conventional elastomer for heat and chemical resistance.
As you have seen, the secret of strong heat and chemical resistance of Kalrez is in its superior molecule structure. Kalrez has other superior properties in addition to its elasticity.
There is more than just heat and chemical resistance. Even in the use of analytical equipment or high vacuum applications for the semiconductor process, Kalrez responds to its difficult requirements with its lower outgassing properties than other elastomers. Kalrez shows outstanding performance not only in its chemical resistance, but also in its low extractable properties. So it is utilized in the field of food and pharmaceutical industries, where impurities must be kept to a minimum.
We have seen the distinguished stability of Kalrez under the most severe conditions. Less maintenance costs, quick recovery of your production line, simplified seal design securing safety and reliability of your equipment, and making it possible to use it as applications which have been considered to be impossible to use. Now companies are seeking high quality and overall cost reduction, and we believe Kalrez will bring you uncountable benefits.
Our slogan is development of new materials, which represents the new age. Kalrez perfluoroelastomer is one of the fruits of our development. Revolutionary products made from brand new elastomer materials. Kalrez, materials made with wide applications in everything from the high-tech semiconductor industry to automotive, solar power generation, and aerospace industries. Kalrez perfluoroelastomer has tremendous possibilities. We promise to live up to your expectations.